What's up guys, it's your girl Mzj.Alexis and I'm back again with another video. Before I get into what this video is gonna be about, or you probably know from the title down below, follow me on all social platforms. It's gonna be linked in the description box, and don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Turn on your post notifications so you can see when I post new videos. So this video is gonna be a DIY, and I am going to make an outfit. Well, it was supposed to be one outfit out of a skirt. I was supposed to turn that into a two-piece, and then add two skirts. So I turned that two skirts into three outfits: two tops, a skirt, and a dress. This is my first time recording a DIY, so tell me what you think about it. But yeah, don't forget to subscribe, share, like, and comment. Here we have this old skirt that I'm gonna use to make three outfits: two tops and a dress. So I'm gonna be making my first top like this one. So I'm gonna be measuring to see where I want my bralettes to be. Now I'm gonna cut out two triangle shape whatever it's called to make the bra piece. Now I'm gonna be cutting it and measuring them so they are identical, which I think everybody boobs is not identical unless you get them done. I barely got boobs, so yeah. So for the most part, I really don't know what I'm doing, but I'm just gonna judge. Oh my god, I'm just gonna follow off that old shirt that I showed you before in the beginning. So let's see how this is gonna come out, because I don't know what I'm doing. Now I'm going to be threading this machine to hem the corners of the triangle shaped cloth that I cut out for my breast piece. And yeah, I'm over here looking like I really do know what I'm doing. I'm not a seamstress. I'm not a dressmaker, like, girl. But now I'm gonna be threading this machine. I think I have a pretty good idea of this part because I have broken so many needles of my aunt's machine before. Like, I practiced on that, so hopefully this work out in my favor, so all them broken needles was not in vain. Okay, shout out to my auntie Dorothy. Okay, as I said, you have to fold the edges of the fabric, which I already did. Now I'm about to stitch it so it can be seamless and perfect. Don't be afraid to get pins, if that's what it's called, to hold it down while you're sewing, and then you can remove them throughout the process of stitching.
Long time.
So right now I'm gonna be making the bottom parts to attach the triangle parts for the breast piece on. So yeah, I'm just fixing up the edges so, like I said, it can be seamless and perfect. Cut away all the excess fabric that you're not gonna need, and then you're gonna use some pins to hold the fabric in place. And then what we're gonna do next, we're gonna fold the ends and stitch it because we don't want no shedding. A girl can't be wearing her clothes and see strings falling off. Okay, so cut, stitch, and you're ready to go. So here I'm checking to see if the top fits around me like the way I want it to. Then I'm gonna take some pins and attach the triangle shape to that part, and then I'm gonna stitch it down, and you'll see how I get my top to be just like the whole top. Okay.
Long time.
Right now I'm about to attach the triangle by stitching it down so it could be firm and sturdy and ready to wear without falling off. Yep. Stitch away, stitch away, stitch away. I always give it like a double stitch so it holds better. And the type of fabric that I'm using is kind of soft, and that's why there's so many shedding. So the double stitch is perfect. I use the double stitch and the zigzag stitch mostly in this video. Here's a close-up of how the top came out. I definitely could have made the breast piece a lot bigger. And this is the skirt. This is how it came out. Now moving on to the next outfit. I did most of it off camera, so now I'm doing the finishing touch. This is a dress, by the way, and you'll see how it looks in a few when I try it on. Here I'm measuring to see where I want my straps to go. In the back, I already attached the front. And by the way, this strap came from my purse. So don't come for me if you figure it out. I'm letting you know beforehand, okay? because remember I told you guys it was gonna be two tops, a skirt and a dress. But yeah, I went ahead and I made a whole entire top before I started recording. This is the top that I'm talking about, because I wasn't sure if I was gonna even record this. So yeah, let me know what you think about my collection of outfits. I'm gonna go do my makeup and take some pictures for y'all. This is my collection. Here I got my skirt, my top, my next top, my ears, my earrings, my dress, and my watch. So let's see all these pictures and video is gonna come out. I'm back, face beat, hair laid, edges laid, and yeah, let me know what you guys think about my outfit. Like, oh, whoa, whoa. Let me know what you guys think about this collection, and don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Follow me on all social platforms. Like I said, link will be in the description below. Yeah, I know I need a haircut. But yeah, hope you guys like it. Comment down below. Let me know what you guys think. Yeah, because a girl needs feedback.